testimonial from an actual client. Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
Facing a plumbing issue? Get more with Gilmore Heating, Air, and Plumbing. Get more savings with $189 off any plumbing service. Visit GilmoreAir.com. At Gilmore, you always get more. Jim Gaffigan here with some more Straight Talk. Let's take a moment to appreciate our sweet children, loving grandparents, and eternal soulmates. Now let's use them to save money on wireless. Because with the Straight Talk Silver Plan, you get 4 lines for just $25 a month with unlimited data and no contracts. So add those human pawns, loved ones, and save money. Thanks, kids. You're finally worth it. Straight Talk Wireless, available at Walmart.
Get 4 lines on Silver Unlimited for $25 per line per month, plus taxes and fees. For data management practices and additional terms, visit straighttalk.com.
It's Macy's Great Gift Sale. Take an extra 20% off gift ideas from designers they'll love with your coupon or Macy's card. That's on top of great deals on women's sweaters, coats, and PJs, 25 to 50% off. Beauty essentials from Origin, Elizabeth Arden, and more, 25 to 40% off. And the season's hottest toys, 15 to 50% off. Plus, everyone gets $10 Macy's money for every $50 spent. Now at Macy's. Savings on sailing, clearance prices, exclusions apply.
Imagine this, you get home, open your front door only to find there's water everywhere. Yeah, your carpet is soaked, wood floor buckling, your tile is popping. Well, your first instinct is probably call your insurance company, right? But not so fast. We all know that insurance companies will do whatever it takes to cut costs, and your claim is a cost. Wouldn't it make sense to call someone who's looking out for your best interest? Claims XP are public adjusters who are licensed to represent you, not your insurance carrier. Learn more at claimsxp.com or call 916-312-1100 to speak with an expert today.
How's your money feeling? It's about to feel happier with a certificate from Happy Money's partner, Alliant Credit Union. Elevate and increase your savings with 12-month terms and only $1,000 minimum. And the happiest part? Alliant certificates yield 5.25% APY annual percentage yield. Now that's a happier side of money. Elevate your savings. Go to happymoney.com/Alliant. That's ALLIANT. Funds insured up to $250,000 by NCUA. The APY is accurate as of the 11/1/2023 dividend declaration date. Early withdrawal penalties do apply. See if may reduce earnings on the account. Any monthly withdrawals or transfers reduce earnings.
Well, I started using it about 4 or 5 months ago, and 2 or 3 months into it, I just kind of noticed one day I saw all of this extra hair growth around my widow's peak. That hair growth is probably about 5 inches, all in that area that used to have absolutely no hair at all. I don't think I'll ever stop using it.
Fantastic results, Marcy. Harem can absolutely regrow your hair by nourishing the scalp and repairing dormant and damaged hair follicles. Made for men and women and all hair types, Harem with 17 botanical plant actives has proven safe and effective in generating new hair growth, whether it's a receding hairline, the crown of the head, or thinning hair. For a natural solution to regrow thicker, healthier hair, go to greatlifenow.com and see how you can get a free bottle of Harem today. That's greatlifenow.com. greatlifenow.com.
And away go troubles down the drain.
It's the 17th annual Tista Season Community Food Drive. Stop by your local Tri-Counties Bank branch to donate non-perishable foods now through December 22nd. All donations help the Salvation Army feed local families in need. Visit TriCountiesBank.com to learn.